This video tutorial will guide you through the use of employee messaging in MyVision Express. The integrating messaging system allows for easy communication amongst office staff while reducing office clutter caused by numerous post-it notes. Your staff will be able to stay on task since they don't have to leave MyVision Express to use chat or email, which can cause them to get sidetracked. The regular use of this module will help improve your practice's overall efficiency and patient satisfaction. The employee messaging module contains numerous features to assist you with your everyday needs. These include the ability to message groups, individual users, or a combination thereof. Messages can be task-oriented, and priority levels like high or critical can be set. Setting the warn flag will pop up the message if the employee is logged in. If not, it will pop up on login. There is a visual cue to alert the employee that they have unread messages. Messages can be tied into a patient, order, claim, or exam. Once related, it will show in the interactions. You can set up commonly used messages in categories to speed up the messaging process. Messages can be sent by a user even if the user is not in the office by creating the message in advance and setting a trigger date for it to be sent. To access messaging, you would click on the messages icon. This brings up your employee message screen. I would start by selecting the user I want to send this to. Let's say I want to send this to Mike the optician, and I also want to send it to the opticians group. I now want to assign a priority of high. The status will default to setting open. I want to reference this to a patient. I would click the ellipsis button and select Mr. Darwin. I can also tie this into an order, an insurance, or an exam in the same way by clicking the ellipsis button next to those. This is where I'll be able to access my pre-made messages. And here is a list. This will be set up in categories. I will type in, please check delivery for Mr. Darwin's glasses. Inspect and notify ASAP. Since this is a critical message, I will leave the warn flag on. In the event that he's logged in, he will get this pop-up. If not, he will get this pop-up as soon as he logs in. I'm going to now send my message, and I will close. We can now log in as Mike the optician. Notice that there's a visual cue that he has messages. You see the exclamation point, and it even tells you the number of messages that are here. And here are the messages. I will click reply. I will type in my message. Change the status to processing. And click send. We'll save and close. Let's now log in as the administrator. And I can see my message here. Again, I get my exclamation point letting me know I have a message. Tells me I have one message. And here is my message. Could close. If we go to Mr. Darwin's profile, we go to interactions, messages, you can see that there are several messages that have been sent back and forth in response to Mr. Darwin and his glasses. This concludes our video tutorial. Thank you for watching. Please remember to visit us at Support Central where you can view additional videos.